Hello and welcome back to channel. Today we'll be working on how you can design a Valentine banner. Next month Valentine is around the corner, so we'll be looking on how you can design a guide through it. Now first of all, we'll open our Photoshop, we'll create new, Valentine banner, and we'll say okay, leave the default setting to be that. We'll be using the PSD file, which usually make our design easier without stress. Now for me to use a PSD file, I'll go to my folder on the system, I'll click on desktop. On my YouTube folder, I'll be dropping the file on how you can get it. No, I'm not using this. I'll be dropping the file on how you can design yours too. On the link below, you can download the files. Yeah, I want to use it. So there's a PSD file. I will drag and drop on my on my Photoshop. Now I've drag and drop it there. I click. Now we'll click on the to open the file. Click on the smart object. Now we've opened the file. We've opened the file. Click on highlight. These are these are the designs. If you close it, you see that they are out. So those are the designs. For you to detect the design, now you click on design. That's a font design. So that's the mockup. Now we're going to change this mockup. For you to change it, you click on the double click on the smart object. It will open it for you. Now we want to add our own image to it. I'll go to a file. You can use your store image, your front banner of your store, and now I will drag this, drag and drop on it. You can see I've drag and drop on it. I'll off all this thing because my image is going to cover everything. Now you click file and save. Once you save, you come back here. We have successfully changed our banner. You can use your store mockup banner. So when we're done with that, you close that page. Now we'll go to the test. The test, Happy Valentine Day. If you can see the Valentine, it says we also have the missing font. So you click on it. This is a font. These fonts are missing. That's why. Now we go and download this font on our on our system. You can check my previous video on how to download font to your system. Let's use our. So if you want to edit the text, you can write up anything. Get up to cheap price from our store. to surprise your loved ones. Your loved ones. That's how you can edit in this Valentine celebration. Now you can click shop now. That's a button, so you can add your shop name to it. You can use your shop logo on the mockup. For this Valentine, if you want to change, you want to replace, you can replace. Maybe we downloaded the wrong font number. When you download, it's stored on your system. It's replaced. You can check how we did it on our previous video on how to install font on your MacBook or Windows. So discount, you can change the price of the discount, save up to 50%, or you can say save up to 30%. You click, the font is missing, so we need to download this font. Let's download that font. You can easily download from DAFA font. So we've downloaded it. Go to font, click on add. This is it. Now open or add it to our font. Now go back to our Photoshop. After adding it, go back to your Photoshop. We've successfully added it now. You can change the 50% to 30%, depends on you. So that's hard to Now after we successfully change everything, you can add your store name, then click on file and export as quick PNG. Now you can use Valentine banner. And save. That was how you can design a professional Valentine banner using the and Adobe Photoshop to design. Check the link below. You see most of our box of PSD file you can easily design your banner from. And if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so for more info and more about design.